I was very clear when we met in Islamabad in December. My objective was very clear, that we have to draw international attention to the situation, the humanitarian situation in Afghanistan. And I think to a large extent we succeeded in getting their attention. And you saw post 17th extraordinary session, there were concessions made, sanctions were relaxed, and humanitarian assistance was not just announced, certain measures were announced to provide relief to our Afghan brothers and sisters. In this session, it was my desire, since Pakistan was going to chair it, that the issue of Jammu and Kashmir must be discussed and highlighted, because I feel that since the 5th of August 2019, the situation has dramatically changed and deteriorated further. I'm happy to share with you that in the meeting of the contact group on Kashmir, we were able to have a very good discussion. I'm grateful to all ministers who were there, and they contributed in a big way. And we took a number of decisions. We've agreed to go beyond passing a resolution. And we've put together an action plan. In that action plan, we've agreed that different member states will meet regularly and coordinate their positions on the question of Jammu and Kashmir dispute.